I've been getting this question a lot. Okay, so I'm finally going to be showing you guys how I make my elote berry. So of course, we're going to be starting off with some white chocolate, and I'm just going to be adding a little bit of yellow food coloring to that, and make sure that's oil based. When I make elote berries as well, I like to go for like the big berries that are a little bit longer. That way it looks more like an elote, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all know what I mean. Anyways, can we just peep my little sign in the back? Okay, people have been stealing my videos and even my logo now, y'all. So I'm so happy I got this sign. So our base does not have to be smooth as fuck, you guys. We can go ahead and leave it like whatever, because we're going to end up covering it up with all of these little squares and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I ended up going and did like a checkered vibes. And then I went back and filled in those missing squares, because we're gonna basically be resembling the little kettle corns or whatever they're called. I don't really know. I'm not a freaking corn specialist. I like to use masapan to make my little hot Cheetos, quote unquote. Okay, we're gonna be doing a little bit of red food coloring, and then I like to mix them up, and it usually just looks like hot Cheetos, you guys. Like, this is my favorite hack. I like to use a little bit more white chocolate and do like a little layer of mayonnaise or crema or whatever the fuck. Then I sprinkle on the little hot Cheetos or whatever, and I swear that these little sprinkles make this whole berry taste like a masapan. And I just went ahead and added a little bit of extra crema on top, and tell me this don't look good as fuck. Okay, bye.